Hi, Damon, and this is my first video, and this is my vlog. This is my bed. And this is my cash register. And you know what's in my safe? Markers and spray and something and waste with. And this is a doll I found in one of my toy box. And this is search. See? Got the doctor thing on there. And this is my little toy trailer. And this is like a cell thing, and this is the painting who built this house. And this is the cell from the smell cell. And this is the cell. And in here is the bathroom. And behind this door is the kitchen. Here's over here. And this is our dog. And this is our washing machine. Yeah, it got a candle on there. Here's the stove. Here's the microwave. Here's the sink. And here's the refrigerator. And over here, and behind this door, we got a filling thing, and then on the floor, we got a thing you would fit up, and there's the basement. And this is the dining room, and that's the living room over there. And Nolly's right there again. And her stretching. Over, Nolly. Lay down. Sit. 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 Sit.
Everybody, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. And there's can be like part 2, part